beauty stands unmoving, like morning sealed in vows. A single beam crosses the veil, and my heart turns to glass. The shadows know my name. They bow and let me pass. I tremble in the quiet where every echo waits, a silent weight of mercy, a hand behind the gates. Holy, holy near, a breath of awe appears. Holy, holy clear, in this hush I disappear. Your beauty holds me still. Your beauty bends my will. Holy, holy near, a breath of awe appears. The candles lean like pilgrims toward a world unseen. Their small flames hold my sorrow in a silver sea. My thought I came with answers. I came with proud and torn, but judgment moved like snowfall and left the soul reborn. I tremble in the quiet where every echo waits, a silent weight of mercy, a hand behind the gates. Holy, holy near, a breath of awe appears. Holy, holy clear, in this hush I disappear. Your beauty holds me still. Your beauty bends my will. Holy, holy near, a breath of awe appears. And all at once I see the tenderness of fire, the kingly face of sorrow, the throne of sweet desire. I bow beneath the wonder, my silence becomes prayer. One breath and I am carried beyond the darkened air. Holy, holy near, a breath of awe appears. Holy, holy clear, in this hush I disappear. Your beauty holds me still. Your beauty bends my will. Holy, holy near, a breath of awe appears. Holy, holy